Imagine stepping into a world where every video you encounter is crafted by artificial intelligence. No real footage, just digital dreams brought to life. That's the bold premise of OpenAI's latest social platform, Sora, and it's sparking a whirlwind of excitement and debate. But here's where it gets intriguing. This app isn't just another scroll-through feed. It's an exclusive club that requires a special invitation to join. Intrigued yet? Let's dive into how you can snag your spot in this AI-powered adventure step by step. I'm Caitlin Chettarawi, a content creator at CNET specializing in the fascinating realm of artificial intelligence. My articles delve into chatbots, image and video creation tools, and how these innovations are weaving into our daily lives. From the media we binge on social platforms to the creators working behind the scenes. Holding a journalism degree from the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill, I love breaking down complex tech topics for everyone. Feel free to drop me a line at kchedrawi@cnet.com if you have questions. My focus areas include artificial intelligence advancements, AI-powered visual tools, and the evolution of online communities. This piece is a quick read at about 2 minutes. Just as social media seemed to have reached its peak of eccentricity, the creators of ChatGPT unveiled Sora, a fresh networking app inspired by their video-generating AI. Dubbed Sora after its tech roots, it's live on the App Store, but accessing it isn't as simple as hitting download and diving in. Here's the twist. Sora stands as a community exclusively for genuine users, yet it's populated solely with videos made by AI. Absolutely, that's correct. The app's warning explicitly notes that zero content is real, and still, OpenAI encourages you to use it for bonding with pals. To participate in this unconventional social test, you'll need an invitation code from a current member. Codes have begun circulating this week, so if you're eager to bypass the barriers, here's your guide. Stay tuned to CNET for all our impartial tech insights and hands-on evaluations. Make us your go-to source on Google Chrome for the latest updates. Check this out. An AI replica of Sam Altman debates the sandwich status of a hot dog. Second, keep up with our neutral tech coverage and practical tests. Add CNET as a preferred Google source, securing an invitation code for OpenAI's Sora platform. To secure your invite code, begin with these foundational actions. Grab the Sora app from the Apple App Store. Ensure you're selecting the version featuring the navy and white cloud emblem. Sign in using your ChatGPT credentials or opt for an alternative account. Select the option to notify me when access opens. In the ensuing prompt, enable push notifications from Sora. OpenAI shared in an update that the preliminary launch is underway in the US and Canada, with plans for rapid global expansion. They're giving priority to subscribers of their Pro tier for initial Sora entry. Upon receiving your code, complete your Sora profile setup. From there, engage via the mobile app or web interface and earn 4 fresh invite codes to distribute to your network. Full disclosure. Ziff Davis, the parent of CNET, initiated legal action against OpenAI in April, claiming infringement of Ziff Davis's intellectual property through AI training and operations. For deeper exploration, explore our guides on AI video creation tools and top AI image generators. Watch this. AI Sam Altman cheers on Sora 2. Watch this. Sam Altman's deepfake asserts Gemini surpasses ChatGPT. Watch this. But here's where it gets controversial. Is a social app built entirely on fabricated content really fostering authentic connections? Or is it just a gimmick that blurs the line between reality and simulation? And this is the part most people miss. While the app's disclaimer screams, "Nothing here is real," OpenAI pushes it as a tool for real friendships, raising questions about trust, creativity, and the future of human interaction in a digital age. For beginners, think of it like this. It's akin to watching a movie where every scene is computer-generated, yet being asked to treat it as a documentary. Could this redefine how we share stories online? Or is it a slippery slope toward losing touch with genuine experiences? What do you think? Does Sora represent an exciting leap in social innovation? Or does it risk undermining the value of authentic content? Share your thoughts in the comments. Do you agree with OpenAI's vision? Or do you see pitfalls in an AI-only ecosystem? We'd love to hear your take.